Hello बच्चों, welcome to the 5% Academy. In this video, we'll learn how to name organic compounds. So बिना किसी देरी के let's start. IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay. Types of carbon atoms. There are four types of carbon atoms: primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom, and quaternary carbon atom. Okay. If carbon atom is attached to one R group, that is alkyl group, okay, so it's a primary 1 degree carbon atom. अगर कार्बन एटम दो R ग्रुप से अटैच्ड है तो वो होगा सेकेंडरी कार्बन एटम, और अगर ऐसे ही 3 कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है कार्बन एटम तो वो होगा टर्शरी कार्बन एटम, और ऐसे ही अगर कार्बन एटम 4 कार्बन एटम से बॉन्डेड है सो वो होगा क्वाटरनरी 4 डिग्री कार्बन एटम. ओके. और सिमिलरली जैसे 1 डिग्री कार्बन एटम है सो उस पर जो हाइड्रोजन लगी होगी वो भी 1 डिग्री हाइड्रोजन होगी. ठीक है. ऐसे ही 2 डिग्री कार्बन एटम पे जो हाइड्रोजन लगी होगी वो 2 डिग्री होगी. ऐसी ये 3 डिग्री होगी. ठीक है. और 4 डिग्री कार्बन एटम पे तो कोई हाइड्रोजन होती नहीं क्योंकि कार्बन 4 मैक्सिमम बॉन्ड्स बना सकता है. ठीक है. सो हाइड्रोजन लगने की तो जगह ही नहीं है कार्बन पे. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल this is 1 degree carbon atom because it is bonded to only one other carbon atom. ऐसे ही ये भी 1 डिग्री कार्बन एटम है और ये भी 1 डिग्री कार्बन एटम है. ओके. ये 4 डिग्री कार्बन एटम है, दैट इज क्वाटरनरी कार्बन एटम, क्योंकि ये 4 का अदर कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है. एक तो ये, एक ये, एक ये और एक ये. ओके. ये 2 डिग्री हो गया, ये इससे अटैच्ड है और इससे अटैच्ड है. ये 3 डिग्री हो गया, ये इससे अटैच्ड है, इससे अटैच्ड है और इससे अटैच्ड है. ये 2 डिग्री कार्बन एटम हो गया, ये इससे अटैच्ड है और इससे अटैच्ड है. ये 3 डिग्री है, ये इससे अटैच्ड है, इस कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है, ये इस कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है. ओके. ये 1 डिग्री हो गया, ये भी 1 डिग्री हो गया और ये 2 डिग्री हो गया. ये इससे अटैच्ड है और इससे अटैच्ड है. ओके. नाउ वी विल स्टडी जनरल स्कीम ऑफ नेमिंग ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. एक तरह से लगा लो मूल मंत्र है किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को नेम करने के लिए. ओके. फर्स्ट देयर इज वर्ड रूट plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix plus primary prefix plus secondary prefix. Okay. Word root हो गया number of carbon atoms in main chain. Okay. And primary suffix हो गया like it tells us about saturation or unsaturation in the organic compound, like ane if it's an saturated compound. Okay. And ene or ine if it's an unsaturated compound. Okay. Secondary suffix is used to denote functional group. Okay. Primary prefix is used for alicyclic compounds. We just add cyclo prefix. Okay. Word cyclo, like in this example we'll see. And secondary prefix is for branches. Okay. For example, this is an organic compound. Let's try to name it. First, we see that the main chain is this cyclic chain. Okay. And these are substituents. This is 1-methyl group and this is NH2 group. Okay. Amine group. Okay. So we'll name it from here. This is the main functional group. Okay. So we'll name the main chain from here. We'll give this functional group minimum number. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So its name will be 2-methyl because first we write branches in the name, secondary prefix. Okay. 2-methyl cyclo, which is primary prefix. Okay. So 2-methyl cyclo Now word root. Word root is number of carbon atoms in main chain. Main chain is this one. Okay. So just a minute. So it's a 5 carbon cyclic chain. So it's pent. Okay. It's pentane. Sorry. It's pentane. Okay. And primary suffix is ane because it's a saturated compound. Okay. So pentane. And the functional group is amine group, so amine. So 2-methyl cyclopent pentane amine. Okay. See, primary suffix. It indicates the saturation or unsaturation existing in the main chain. Like ane, it's used for single bond or which means saturated. Okay, compound. Ene is used for one double bond. Diene used for two double bonds. Polyene is used if plenty of double bonds are present. Okay. Ine is used if one triple bond is present. And diene is used if two triple bonds are present. Okay. Secondary suffix. It is used for the principal functional group. Okay. Primary prefix. Cyclo word is used for alicyclic compounds. Okay. Like this. It's a 6-member carbon chain ring. So it's cycle and it's cyclic. So it's cyclohexane. Okay. Secondary prefix. Normal substituents or branches and junior functional groups. Okay. Like this group, R group. It's an alkyl group. OR group is alkoxy group. X is halo group. NO2 is nitro group. And this is nitroso group. Okay. Now we'll study about rules for writing radicals. Primary or N-alkyl. Where N means normal, it signifies a straight chain. Okay. अगर हम मीथेन में से एक ये मीथेन है, अगर हम मीथेन में से एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दें ये वाली, so क्या बचेगा CH3 group. So it's a methyl group and this group is further attached to the main carbon chain. Okay. Similarly इथेन, अगर इथेन में से ये एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दें तो हमारे पास बचेगा इथाइल ग्रुप. This is an ethyl group. Similarly प्रोपेन में से अगर एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दें so we'll get propyl group or N-propyl group. Okay. Now we'll study about isoalkyl groups. See, this is an isopropyl group. Okay. It's a 3-member carbon chain and its shape is like this. Okay. See here Y and this is attached to the main carbon chain. Okay. Similarly, if we add this is an isopropyl group and if there is more carbon atom and it is attached to the main carbon chain, then it's an isobutyl group. Okay. And if there is one more carbon atom, then we get isopentyl group. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is iso group, so we get isopentyl group. Okay. This group is also known as isoamyl group. Okay. For example, this CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. This is iso group and this is, see, if we this is isobutyl group. Okay. And this is attached to the main carbon chain. If we add one more hydrogen to this carbon atom, and I mean to say that if we bond this carbon to one more hydrogen here, it will become CH3 and this will become iso butane. Okay, this is isobutane. Now we'll name this organic compound. First we'll number it. This is the longest carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This its name will be, first branches are named. So 4 isopropyl. This is an isopropyl group. Okay. So 4 isopropyl septane, because there are 7 carbon atoms in the main chain. So sept, which is the word root, and primary suffix is ane, because it's an saturated compound. Okay, so 4 isopropyl septane. Secondary alkyl, it's only used for butyl group. Okay, see, this is butane. Okay, अगर 1 डिग्री हाइड्रोजन हम हटा दें बुटेन में से, सो विल गेट CH3 CH2 twice. This is written one time, and the number denotes how many times it is repeated. So CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2, because 1 degree hydrogen is removed from this butane compound. Okay, so we'll get CH2, and this is attached to the main carbon chain further. Okay, so this is n-butyl group. Okay, and if we remove 2 degree hydrogen from the butane group, we get CH3 CH2. The CH1 hydrogen is removed, and this is further attached to CH3, and this is further attached to the main carbon chain. So this is sec-butyl group. Okay, just a second, guys. Tert alkyl group. It's not for propyl group because minimum 4 carbon atoms are required. Okay, this is the tert butyl group. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. This is a 3 degree carbon. Okay, tert alkyl group. Okay, this is, there are 4 carbon atoms, so tert butyl group. It is also written as TBU in short form. Okay, neoalkyl groups. This is neopentyl groups. Okay, if this is the tert butyl group, same. Okay, if it's, अगर ये कार्बन एटम डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड है मेन कार्बन चेन से, सो ये हो जाएगा टर्ट बुटाइल ग्रुप. और अगर ये कार्बन एटम एक कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है, वो कार्बन एटम फर्दर मेन चेन से अटैच्ड है कार्बन एटम की, सो ये फिर हो जाएगा नियोपेंटाइल ग्रुप. ओके, now we'll see organic elements and their names. Okay, alkyl group, it's denoted by R. Methyl group, this group, CH3 group, this is denoted by Me. Ethyl group, Et, it is denoted by Et, this is ethyl group. Propyl group, this is denoted by PR or NPR. N means simple straight chain. Okay, this is 1 2 3. This is propyl group. Okay, butyl group, it is denoted by Bu or NBU. See this 1 2 3 4, and it's connected to the main carbon chain. This is butyl group. Isopropyl group, it's denoted by IPR. See, we have already seen this Y, and it's connected to the main carbon chain. This is the famous isopropyl group. Okay, isobutyl group, it's denoted by IBU. Okay, this is isopropyl group. Okay, if this carbon atom is attached to the main chain carbon chain, and if this carbon atom is attached to one more carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached to the main chain, then this becomes isobutyl group. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon atoms, and this is iso group, so this becomes isobutyl group. Okay, sec-butyl group, it's denoted by SBU. It's this butyl group, 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon chain. this butyl group is connected to the main chain through 2-degree carbon atom. This is a 2-degree carbon atom. 1, 2. Okay. It's connected to the 2 more carbon atoms. So it is a 2-degree carbon atom. And this group is attached to the main chain through 2-degree carbon atom. So it becomes sec butyl group. Okay. Now third butyl group. TB. It's denoted by TBU. This is the third butyl group. See, carbon is attached to 1 carbon atom, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Okay, so it's a 3-degree carbon atom, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, and this 3-degree and this group is attached to the main carbon chain through 3-degree carbon atom. So it's a third butyl group. Okay. Now we'll see aromatic groups. Aryl group, it's denoted by AR. It's used for any aromatic ring. Okay. Benzyl group, it's denoted by BN. ये फिनाइल ग्रुप है. ओके. अगर और ये CH2 है. ओके. अगर अगर ये अटैच्ड है मेन कार्बन चेन से CH2 के थ्रू, ये फिनाइल ग्रुप, सो इट्स बिकम्स बेंजाइल ग्रुप. ओके. और नेक्स्ट वन इज फिनाइल ग्रुप, इट्स डिनोटेड बाय PH. Just a second, guys. Yeah, if this phenyl group is directly attached to the main carbon chain, then it's a phenyl group. Okay. It's a phenyl substituent. Okay, let's say. Yeah. Next is acetyl group, it's denoted by AC. This is the acetyl group. Okay. This is vinyl group. Double bond is directly connected to the main carbon chain. Okay. And this is allyl group. Double bond is attached to the main carbon chain through one more carbon atom, through one more carbon atom. Okay. See, this is double bond, one carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached to the main carbon chain. Okay. So this is allyl group. Halide group. This group is denoted by X. Okay. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. Now we'll see how to name saturated hydrocarbons. Rule number 1. Selection of the longest carbon chain. Okay, first we select the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If the number of carbon atoms are same in more than one longest chain, then more substituted longest chain will be the parent chain. Okay. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर number of carbon atoms same है longest chain, तो more than one longest chain, यानी कि अगर एक से ज़्यादा longest chain है और carbon atoms दोनों में same है, तो जो ज़्यादा substituted chain होएगी longest chain, वही parent chain होएगी. Let's see. For example, this organic compound, these both are same. Okay. So we'll name from here first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And we'll name from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now instead of going here, we'll go upwards. Okay. 5, 6, 7. So we see that here are two branches at 5 and at 6. Okay. And here only one branch at 5. So this is more substituted. So this is the main chain. Okay. If the number of side chains branches are also same, हमने जो देखा था कि अगर ये ब्रांचेस हैं मेन कार्बन चेन की, ये जो हैं, अगर ये भी सेम होती हैं, दो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, एक से ज़्यादा अगर लॉन्गेस्ट चेन होती है, उनमें ब्रांचेस के नंबर भी सेम होते हैं. ओके. आई मीन के अगर उनके ब्रांचेस भी इक्वल हैं. ओके. देन like in this, here are also 3 branches, here are also 3 branches. Okay. Then parent chain is one having its substituent at lower number. Okay. फिर parent chain वो होगी जिसके substituent lower number पे होंगे. Okay. Like let's see example. First we'll name this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and branches are this at 1 is at 2, and 1 is at 4, and 1 is at 5. Okay, so we get 2 4 5. Okay, numbers, and here they both have same branches. We'll see, and this has one branch here at 3, and this is one branch at 4, and at one branch at 5. So 3 4 5. Just a second, guys. Yeah, yeah, at 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this number is less. Okay, so this main chain is chosen. This chain is the longest chain. Okay, because substituents are at lower number. Okay, now rule number 2: give minimum number to the position of locants or substituents in the longest carbon chain, starting with the terminal carbon of the longest carbon chain. Okay, दिस मीन्स हमें मिनिमम नंबर देना है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स को लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में, टर्मिनल कार्बन चेन से स्टार्ट करना है नंबरिंग करना लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन को. ओके, सो विल नंबर इट फ्रॉम हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so its name is 3 methyl septane. Okay, see if we name it from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is coming at 5, and this that and this that is, and the minimum number is 3. So we choose numbering from here. Okay, because in this numbering we are getting the substituent at minimum number. Okay, which is 3. So 3 methyl septane. Here we'll name from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 2 3 5 trimethyl hexane. Okay, just a second, guys. If position of substituent are same from both the end of the parent chain, then the numbering is done as per alphabetical order. Okay, अगर पोजीशन ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट जो है पेरेंट चेन में वो बोथ हैंड से सेम आ रहे हैं नंबर्स. ओके, फिर नंबरिंग होगी अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के हिसाब से. ओके, लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. See, if we name it from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if substituents are at number 3 and 6. Okay, and if we name it from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and now also substituents are at 3 and 6. Since the position of substituents are same from both end of the parent chain, so numbering होगी किसके बेस पे, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के बेस पे. ओके, सो ई, दिस इज इथाइल ग्रुप and this is methyl group, and E comes before M, so we'll name it from here. We'll give this ethyl group minimum number. Okay, so we'll name it from here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so its name is 3 ethyl 6 methyl octane. Okay, substituent. Now see this example. We'll start numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and we'll number also the branches also 1 2. Okay, and this one is 1 double dash 2 double dash. Okay, it's just for distinguishing between the two different branches. Okay, nothing else. Now we'll name from where substitute. नाउ अगर जैसे कि अगर दो ब्रांचेस लगी हुई हैं और सेम क्लोरीन सेम ग्रुप लगा हुआ है ब्रांचेस में, लाइक हेयर क्लोरीन ग्रुप्स आर सेम. ओके, सो दिस इज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट of this substituent. Okay, this is the further substituent of this substituent. So substituent of substituent at lower number is considered first. Okay, so we'll name it first. Okay, and then we'll name this. Okay, it's given the more preference than this in the naming. Okay, now let's try to name some saturated hydrocarbons. Let's name this organic compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name is 2, 2, 3, 4 tetramethyl pentane. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So its name is 3, 4, 7 trimethyl nonane. Okay, let's name this organic compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll name it alphabetical order. Bromine B comes first, then chlorine C comes after. Okay, so 4 bromo, 1, 1 dichloro, 1, 1 dichloro, 2 methyl pentane. Okay, let's see this organic compound. Let's try to name this organic compound. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this substituent group is 3 bromo. Okay, methyl, because its bromine is not directly attached to the main carbon chain, so it's not just written 3 bromo. Okay, it's written in, it's connected to the main carbon chain through one more carbon atom. So its name is, just a second guys, its name is 3 bromo, it will come in brackets, 3 bromo methyl. Okay, this substituent group is bromomethyl. Okay, so 3 bromomethyl heptane. Okay, yeah. Rule number 3, ब्रांचिंग इन द ब्रांचिंग. जैसे ये ब्रांच है पूरी, इसमें भी फर्दर ब्रांचिंग है. सी, सेकेंड कार्बन एटम के साथ एक और मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. जस्ट ए सेकेंड गाइस, ये सी, सेकेंड कार्बन एटम के साथ एक और मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है और फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम के साथ एक और इथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. ठीक है, और इस कार्बन से ये ब्रांच अटैच्ड है मेन कार्बन चेन्स से. ठीक है, we'll number it 1, 2, 3. So it's written in the brackets branching name. Okay, so 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, this is 3 carbon chains, so propyl group. Okay, prefix will be bis, tis, tris, tetracase, pentacase, etc. if more than one same branch is attached to the main chain. Okay, अगर सेम ब्रांच, जैसे ये है, ये एक और ब्रांच ऐसी सेम अगर मेन कार्बन चेन से अटैच हो तो फिर बिस आ जाएगा. अगर 2 हो तो ऐसी, अगर 3 हो तो ट्रिस आ जाएगा, 4 हो तो टेट्राकेस, 5 हो तो पेंटाकेस, and so on. Okay, for example, see this compound. This is, just a second guys, this is the very famous compound DDT. Okay, it's dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, see, this is, just a second guys, this is the main carbon chain, 1 2. Okay, and these are substituents. This is the branch, one branch, and this is the same branch. Okay, exactly like this branch. Okay, and there is further branching in this branch. See, chlorine is attached to this phenyl group, and here also chlorine is attached to this phenyl group. Okay, so we'll write, and here we'll name from here 1 2. Okay, so its name will be 111 trichloro, as three carbon atom, as three chlorine atoms are attached to the first carbon atom. Okay, 1 C. Okay, three chlorine atoms are attached to the first carbon atom. So 111 trichloro, and two branches, same branches are attached to the second carbon atom. So 111 trichloro, 2 bis. Okay, for two similar branches. Okay, 2 bis, 4 chloro. Now we'll name the branch also in the brackets, 4 chloro phenyl. Okay, this is the phenyl group. So 4 chlorophenyl ethane. Okay, main carbon chain, ethane. Okay, दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो बच्चों। आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें, और ऐसी ढेर सारी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। हम आपसे मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहें, तंदुरुस्त रहें और पढ़ाई में जी तोड़ मेहनत करें। थैंक यू।